ドラレコの電源をヒューズボックスから取り出していきます。ママがいいの。ちょうど今が桜満開の季節になりました。こんにちは、オートウエストエンドです。さて前回は友達のマツダ3のサンルーフの不具合の原因見てきましたが、今日は同じくマツダ3にドラレコを取り付けていきたいと思います。今ついているドラレコはシガーソケットから給電をしていて、ちょっとね配線が邪魔なのでヒューズボックスから取りたいということなので、一緒にやっていきたいと思います。こういったヒューズボックス取り出し用のキットが Amazon で売っていたようです。便利ですね。This is the current. You just got the power from here or here, there?
Here. The cigarette lighter's in there. That's another reason why it's kind of frustrating, because I had to run the wire up here like this.
Yeah.
And it's dangling all the time.
Right.
And then, as you see, the wire gets damaged from hanging like that. And
I see.
so,
It's time to do it.
Yeah, I sprung to get the good one.
Yep.
This one looks nice, but it actually doesn't record most of the time. And they say full HD. It is not.
Oh.
It's very grainy, very poor video quality. With a much smaller but much more powerful version.
Yeah.
This one records in 1440p.
Oh wow, really?
Yeah.
So it should be like a 2K. It's kind of hard to pick where to.
Well, this has Wi-Fi built in, so I can
What?
I can connect it to my phone.
Yeah.
And view any video that's on the screen on my phone.
Oh wow, really?
So I don't need to see the screen anymore. So I would like to hide it.
Okay.
I can place it maybe.
こうやってスマホ見ながら設定できるの便利ですよね。
I think like pretty much right beside.
配線はこのままルーフに行って、このライナーの間に通しまして、で A ピラーねどうするかですよね。そしてその下のヒューズボックスにつないでいきます。そこあたりにねヒューズボックスあります。
So we're gonna have it like that.
Okay.
So we hardwire it.
Right.
So it's gonna be like that. But it's okay. It'll bend. So I think just close to the mount.
Yeah. To the center.
Yeah.
Like.
It's the scary part for me. Yeah.
Okay. Maybe like this, like a dot thing. Maybe put it just like clean the glass part. You maybe wanna like see the display when you like try to adjust some settings.
Well, that's why I thought I would just pull off the magnet and then I can.
Oh, that's neat.
Right, that would make sense.
Yeah, but I don't know this dots thing.
Yeah.
This shade.
Okay, so I'll put it underneath the dot.
Yeah.
It comes off too easy though.
Yeah.
Like from the glass, if I want to take it off.
Yeah.
Maybe if you let it like adhere for overnight or something.
Yeah.
Then it has a better chance of staying on.
Right.
But this is too strong of a magnet.
Magnet is too strong.
Yeah.
I think I have like a GoPro the sticker thing.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So later, if you need one, I can give it to you.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Yeah.
So this part.
So that's
Oh, that's neat.
your super strong magnet.
Yeah.
And then slide it back on.
Oh, that's good.
But you have to tilt it.
Right.
If
Don't
you
pull it.
pull it straight,
Yeah.
you're gonna take the stickiness completely off. So you gotta tilt it up and then pull it off. Yeah. And then is this big one considered one?
How big is the valve?
Good.
Good.
Well, the last time we did the sunroof was the
7.
10.
Yeah.
So that was 7.
Yeah.
So we count from there.
Yeah, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 15 ampere one. The very bottom.
So that is right. The 11th is our accessory socket.
Right.
And it should be the bottom one.
Okay, cool.
So the bottom, that's easy enough.
Yep. Right. Yep. せっかくなのでテスターでも試してみます。ちなみにマイナス極側のアースはシガーソケットから取ります。森本モーターズさんで紹介していたツールを壊れた電圧計から作りました。Yeah, it's like almost 12 volts. Just one second. It's a 12 volts over here. Yeah. And can you kill the switch? Kill the power. And then going down to 0. So this is, manual it says, but
Extra fuse.
oh, cool. Yes,
And fuse puller.
perfect. Yeah, let's use it. Use this. Which one is
It's a little crusty.
different?
This one's.
Oh,
That would make sense because then the fuse would have to be shaped like that to fit in there.
right.
So yeah, we're going with this one.
Yep.
And then you're saying we need to put it in here.
Yep.
Okay,
Yep.
we're in.
And then
And why is it the 10 ampere that we're
because dashcam just using only 2 ampere
Mm-hmm.
and the 10 ampere have enough power out of it.
Oh, and it's
Because-
fine to have too much, right?
Yeah.
There we go.
Yep. このヒューズボックスからの電源取り出しアダプター、もともとついているヒューズの流れはこの青い矢印、そして新しく追加した伝送品の電流はこの赤い矢印の流れになります。
And we're in. We're going from the bottom, right?
Yep.
Yep.
Yep. Cool.
Fits perfectly.
Nice. Just let's take to here.
Mm.
There's a gap. From
There's
there
a bit
to-
of a gap here.
right, but from there to the other side, we gotta go
To
travel.
here?
Yeah.
Oh, we can just go over top.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want to pull this whole thing off.
Yeah.
Not when if there's there's no label saying there's a
Airbag.
airbag, but
But we see the airbags. I see that
yeah.
from there.
So
That's the airbag.
yeah, so
Okay.
I'd rather not
Okay.
mess with airbag situation.
Okay.
So we can just tuck it in here
Yeah.
all the way.
Yeah.
Go over here
Yeah.
and down there.
Okay. 今回 A ピラーを外したくないと言っていたのはエアバッグをねむやみに触りたくないという理由に加えまして、この A ピラーを支えているこのリベット結構特殊な形をしています。エアバッグが出た時にこの A ピラーがドライバーに吹っ飛んでこないようにリベットを使って止まるような感じになっています。ただその A ピラーを 全部外してしまうとリベットがね壊れてしまって、それをまた注文して取り付けなければいけないということになるようです。A ピラーを外そうと考えていらっしゃる方、その点注意してください。
I think that'll look pretty clean, just one spot, right?
Compared to like
Oh yeah, Compared to going all the way back over my arm and stuff. So
Okay, let's do it. We also have to get the the negative part from the bolt thingy stuff.
okay.
To the left. You just kind of unscrew it, and then did the gap, and then screw it down, kind of slide sideways. Yeah. So this is positive, right? And if touch the negative, and it says 12 volts. It's 12, close to 12. Yeah. So this is the ground. This is the ground.
Okay.
So we are sure.
Half inch.
Okay. It's kind of chilly in there.
It is.
Under there.
Do you have your jacket? Or?
Yeah, in the car. I'm gonna go get later. But I'm okay. But it's Seems like this is like a wide open.
Oh. Say something.
I don't know. I just looking at the screen and this is like a pretty much wide open over here.
Barely even need a tool.
No.
Just kind of goes in there.
Yeah.
Maybe in the corner.
A ピラーを越えてからはこのウェザーストリップの間を這わせていけばすっきり収まりました。
Actually feed it.
Over here even. Yeah. You can just feed this stuff. Oh, it's kind of hard. Let me see. I mean like that's the adapter itself can go through here. I think. It's gonna...
Yeah, nothing's starting. So I mean, just connect the camera.
let me see. I'm breaking lots of plastic on my Beamer, so I know how hard I should. I learned.
Shouldn't.
Yeah. I learned. How about that? Okay, this should be good. And connect this stuff to the other end. Oh, is that all that? Okay. And connect this thing. And
you need the camera disconnected so it doesn't open it up.
Oh yeah, thank you. Easy.
Hope so.
Yeah.
As if we're cutting metal. I'm kind of addicted to these kind of candies nowadays. While I'm driving all the time, pop one in my mouth.
Let's see. Good. Like a moment of truth.
My keys. That looks like power. Yeah.
うまくいったようですね。
like we're working.
It's charging.
It's charging.
Oh yeah. Right.
If it was a right angle, I could put like a right angle adapter on there.
Yeah.
And then bend it like straight,
Yeah.
so it's not going around like.
Right. Yeah.
And I'm sure I can get one of those for like $2 or something.
Yeah. Right.
Because before I had my USB connected,
Mm-hmm.
I used to have this connected to that.
Okay.
This one connected to the car
Right.
and to the camera, and it would fill this whole center console.
This.
Yeah, that's the whole thing.
Yeah.
Now I can just have that for my phone.
Clean.
2 phones. Actually use this for what it's meant to be used for. Originally they thought phones would be this size, so they put a hole here for
Okay.
phones. But phones of today do not fit.
Right. 2021.
2021, yeah. Or does it stay on? Let's see. Right away. Recording stops. Perfect.
Yes.
That's what we want.
Yep. Did it.
So many options.
はい、というわけで今回ヒューズボックスから電源を取ることができました。
Okay, Garmin, take a picture.
今回はこのドラレコ自体のスペックなどあまり説明できませんでしたが、次の動画でこのガーミンのドラレコの主な仕様だったり実際に撮れた画質などもね見ていければなと思います。今回の動画参考になったという方はいいねボタン、登録ボタンをお願いいたします。最後までお付き合いいただきありがとうございました。またお会いしましょう。